Dang.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, nope, we're not working on this one. We're not working on it. I know y'all want to see it, but anyway, so it's been the whole summertime, and yes sir, decided to finally pull the El Camino out so we can get some repairs done to it. So today we're gonna be doing the ceramic brakes on it. I'm not gonna show y'all like the whole video of me doing it. I'm gonna just show y'all bits and pieces, and then we'll get it knocked out. So yes sir, she's super dusty, but we're gonna get it all cleaned up and rewrap the wheels and everything.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Sorry about that. Everybody gotta pull up with their bang on, cause that's what we do over here. Y'all already see, guys, we're gonna get it knocked out today, and I'll just show y'all bits and pieces, man. We'll B-roll the brakes, and then we'll see how she stops. That's the main reason why we really don't drive this car. I took the boys riding in it. Let me get out of the wind. I took the boys riding in it, and it is hard to stop that thing. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna knock it out. Look at him. Alright guys, let me get the jack under it, and let me get my Allen wrenches. We'll pop this rim off and see what we're working with. I was trying to do this before the sun went down, but my wife drove off in my truck instead of her truck, and my rim key is in there. So probably gotta wait about an hour, guys. I'll break this side down as far as I can go, and I'll break the other side down as far as I can go. These kids out here racing. Alright guys, so I got lucky and got the key off. So now I'm gonna try to take the caliper off and yeah, get that popped off. We're gonna get everything greased up. We'll get these brakes out. I got the bolts out, guys, so we loose now. We'll get it coming out. This side wasn't even catching. Like, I was trying to tighten up these while my wife held the brake, and it wasn't even catching. So honestly, guys, it probably just need to be bled. But we're gonna go ahead and pull these brakes out while we got it tore apart, and we'll get the new ones in there, and hopefully they sell us the right ones. Y'all know how that go. Got them in there, guys. Honestly, those brake pads weren't even bad, so we're gonna find out what it is. And then I separated my bolts, so this is gonna be top, and then that one will be bottom. And then what we'll do, we'll bleed this side and see if it'll stop, because it wouldn't even stop like earlier. So we'll check that out.
What they talking about? I don't know.
It got dark on us, guys, but I did check this side. This side is stopping like way better. I put the 4-way on it, and then it, like, I had my wife push the brake and I couldn't even turn it, versus the other brakes that still had plenty of pad, but they just weren't stopping. So, but these are ceramic, so I think we're good, guys. We'll do the other side.
I was lazy.
Honestly, I don't know where I left off at last night. It was a freaking pain in the butt messing with this freaking car, man. And then I had some other stuff going on, so I had to just shut it down. I didn't want to leave the car all jacked up all night and the wheels off and all that stuff, so I just hurry up and threw the wheels back on and set it down. But the brakes still wouldn't stop, so I tested it last night. It still wouldn't stop with the ceramic brakes. And then I tried to heat up the bleeder valves. I couldn't get those out either, so I couldn't get it to bleed. So what I did, I just left O'Reilly's. They sell these bleeder valves separately, so I'm gonna try this first before we have to buy some freaking calibers. So whoever had the car before I did, I've never put brakes on this car. but they stripped out the bleeder valve, so I can't bleed them. So I'm gonna get the jack. I ain't gonna show y'all all that part. I'm gonna get the jack. We'll get the wheels back off this thing, and yeah, we'll go from there, guys. I got all the cars moved out of the way, guys, so I can get in some freaking shade. It's too freaking hot, y'all. So now I'm gonna move the El Camino right here, and then we'll be able to work on it.
You know it's too hot out here for all this. Daddy be tripping.
All right, now we finally ready. We're gonna get it moved, and then brother on the ones and twos. So let's get it pulled over here.
Dang. Dang.
Got her moved. I should have let it warm up a little bit. So what happened when that when the choke finally opened, it wasn't warmed up. But yeah, we'll get the wheels off now. I can't jack it up from the front. I'm gonna have to jack it up one side at a time, but I got jack stand. We'll try this all over again. Day 2. I'm ready to heat it up. We're gonna heat it up with this, the Venom HP. See if we can get it out of there. Just show right here. This thing got hot last night. But Waddy. Probably need to. Dang, brother, you should have put your gloves on. Cause I'm gonna need you to hold it. We'll just turn them back on cause I need help. Cause once we get it hot, we gotta hurry up and put the wrench on there. We gotta be set up, ready to break it loose. Maybe I'll get to show y'all on the other side. But that thing worked. I heated it up. We got this one out, and the new one is in there. We bled it 3 times. I already moved it, y'all, but right there. We bled it 3 times, and it's holding tight. So I'm gonna put the wheel back on. I'm gonna get ready to roll it, and then get in so you can stop it with 2 feet when I tell you to stop it. Stop it. Oh yeah. Hold it. Hold it down. Yeah. I think we're good, guys. We'll get the other side. It looked like it's fixing to freaking rain. So let me try to hurry up.
What you doing? Ha ha ha.
Well, the rain got us, guys. I had the passenger side took off. I'm still trying to get the bleeder out of that one. I heated it up a couple of times and it's just stripped out too freaking bad. So, well, as soon as it quits raining, man, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do about that side. But when I was backing up, this side, you could feel it. It was stopping way better. And once we get some stopping power with this car, we'll be able to drive it. Yes, sir. The rain has stopped. So I forgot to turn y'all on, guys. I went straight ahead and got after it. So what we did on this one, we tried to tap out and it broke off in there. So then I cut notches in it. See the notches? And bam, she broke loose. And also we did heat it up, but we got her off. This side was smaller than the other side, so I hope this other one fits. Have to hurry up. See, that's smaller. So he sold me, or this got 2 different calibers on it. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go get the right one. Hold on. I couldn't record, guys. I just had to go ahead and finish it up. It will not stop raining. I'm soaking wet. I just got done doing that side. Finally got the right bleeder valve and everything, so we're good to go. Topped off the brake fluid and covered up my carburetor because I got a cow hood. And yeah, I'm gonna drop it down and then we'll test drive tomorrow. All right, guys, so I adjusted the carburetor, got the brakes done. I didn't bleed the back ones, but we're just gonna get y'all a little test ride, and then I'll probably bleed the back ones off camera. You ready? What are you doing? What are you doing? Guys, this car is super loud. Get in. I said, what were y'all doing? Yeah, you good. We're just testing the brakes. See, that's why I turned the carburetor up a little bit. check the throttle cable, see what's going on there. But the brakes work, so that's what the video was about. So y'all already know the routine. See y'all in the next one. Peace.